Located between China and the Korean Peninsula, the Yellow Sea provides people in the surrounding countries with resources, livelihoods, and opportunities necessary for their daily lives. For centuries, people have benefited from the abundant fisheries resources, travelling and trading opportunities, and the aesthetic values that the Yellow Sea provides. It looked as if this harmonious relationship between the sea and humans would continue forever. In recent years, with the rapid increase in coastal populations, environmental degradation has become a serious problem in the Yellow Sea. Overexploitation has led to drastic declines in fish stocks. Industrial and domestic waste has impacted the natural ecology. Coastal land reclamation has caused the loss of habitat, important for greenhouse gas absorption, for removing pollutants and sediments from seawater, and as nursery and feeding grounds for many species. Jellyfish blooms, resulting from the degraded ecology, interfere with economic and recreational activities. It is believed that these phenomena are attributed to excessive human activities and inappropriate management of marine resources. The Yellow Sea's ecosystem is under threat. Abundant resources provided by the Yellow Sea that currently benefit millions of people is being depleted. There is an urgent need for action to reduce the adverse impact of human activities on the environment. Both China and Korea have already invested much effort in protecting the environment. However, some of the most pressing problems are transboundary in nature, which can only be solved by the countries working together.
Now, Yellow Sea face some problem, not only by each country. So some problem like the transboundary issues. So we need to resolve those problems Yellow Sea faced. We need cooperation with the coast countries. It's the common effort to conserve or protect the Yellow Sea.
To help the countries work together in tackling the environmental problems in the Yellow Sea, the UNDP GEF project, entitled Reducing Environmental Stress in the Yellow Sea Large Marine Ecosystem, known as the yslme project, was launched in 2004. The project's objective is to facilitate ecosystem-based management and environmentally sustainable use of resources to reduce the impact of human activities on the ecosystem. To achieve this, the project has implemented a number of activities, including scientific research, capacity building, introduction of more effective management actions, policy development, and public awareness campaigns. With strong support from UNDP-GF and UNOPS, scientists, resource managers, and decision makers from the People's Republic of China and the Republic of Korea have actively participated in and contributed to the implementation of the project. understand the current trends and status of the Yellow Sea ecosystem, numerous data and information were collected, analyzed, and synthesized from a regional perspective with respect to biodiversity, ecosystem structure and function, fisheries, pollution, and governance. The cooperative cruises and the joint regional fisheries stock assessment were organized to further investigate the environmental state of the Yellow Sea. The findings obtained from the research activities were summarized in the transboundary diagnostic analysis. The information was disseminated through conferences as well as online databases. Based on scientific research, the yslme project devised the Strategic Action Programme, or SAP, to mitigate the environmental problems in the Yellow Sea and guide management of its natural resources. The goal of the SAP is to protect ecosystem carrying capacity, which is defined by the project as the capacity of the Yellow Sea to provide people with goods and services, known as ecosystem services. The SAP sets regional environmental targets and proposes management actions to achieve these targets by the year 2020. Unlike the traditional sector management, where, for example, fisheries and pollution problems are managed separately, this innovative ecosystem-based approach, advocated by the SAP, will help in addressing multiple environmental issues holistically. The governments of China and Republic of Korea approved the SAP in 2009 by signing endorsement letters. The two countries organized an official signing ceremony where representatives from the UNDP, GEF, and the Democratic People's Republic of Korea participated as observers.